we all can agree these are fire, right? Just underrated. I mean, it takes some getting used to. Like, you know, when the How Much the Homes came out, we were all on the fence of them too. And being that it's a low and it's not an SB, I get it, guys. But I'm going to show y'all some outfits today to make this sneaker even more fire. Yes, sir. If you're new to the channel, man, I'm Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, man. Everybody, I appreciate it. I do this little segment where it's called How to Style. This is where I get the sneaker that may be hype, maybe not, but put together some dope streetwear, some great pieces to make the outfit stand up, man. And I shouldn't even have to explain this. Hit the B-roll. Sir, so I ain't gonna lie, guys, this is like this is a layup for me. Red and black, brand colorway, Chicago colorway. That's what I do, man. You know, we usually start with essentials. I'm gonna leave the stuff that we know will make this sneaker pop for later in the video. Let's start with the Kiss tee. This is fire, man. This Kiss tee is not only fire, it's affordable. Straight from Forever 21, guys. The material is dope. You will not think you paid less than $30 for this tee. The colors is all present. Black, gray, red from the tongue, and probably some lipstick. The eyes too. This is a dope look, guys. Straight from the Kiss merch, but it is from Forever 21. Just go to Forever 21, type in graphic tees. You might find some other fire. But if you look at Kiss tees, this is there and it's dope. And it's a perfect match. Yes, sir. And for some strange reason, when we get a brand or Chicago colorway, we only run the Michael Jordan. You know, they had Scottie Pippen, but they had Dennis Rodman too. An icon and a legend in himself. And he has his own clothing brand. PacSun gets it. Mitchell and Ness gets it. And a couple of other. But Rodman has his own clothing line. But this one is straight from Mitchell and Ness. It's a throwback shirt, guys. You see the Mitchell and Ness logo there. Also on the tag. But come on, man. Perfect match to them sneakers. Even the hair matches a little bit, man. And again, under $30. I know I've been giving y'all $30, but let's up a notch a little bit. The Off-White Virgin Mary collab, man. This shirt screams Chicago split at you, guys. So on the front of the shirt, you got the Virgin Mary portrait, very famous, Off-White. R.I.P. Virgil. I ain't say that in a couple of videos. I did say it in my UNC video. So I'm going to show y'all a lot of Off-White stuff to match this sneaker, man. The portrait is real big on the back, though. And you got like this funny string here that it goes in the inside. That's the shirt. Here's the hat. Come on, man. This outfit is fire, guys. The hat, about $1 something. You might get it on sale because this is about a year old. And the shirt about $2 something. But perfect match with the Chicago splits. Yeah, we're going to rep for Virgil for a little bit, man. This here is the MCA Chicago Figure of Speech shirt. And they are the Chicago splits, guys. You see the Chicago words there. All the stuff there. MCA, Virgil Abloh, Chicago, Illinois. Even has the zip code. Perfect match, man. And one thing I want to tell you about this. It's affordable, guys. If you go to StockX, you can get a shirt like this for under $100, closer to $70, because this MCA Virgil Abloh collab is definitely made by Champion. So it's not that high in price, and a lot of people didn't know because you had to go to Chicago to receive this merch. Perfect match, guys. Going to another brand. Como de Garson. CDG play. I thought I said CDJ, guys. But come on, man. The hearts are red. The eyes is black, white. It's no gray, but you get a nice black, and you know what material you getting with the Como de Garson, man. Perfect match, under $150. And you know I'm going to show Supreme some love. Definitely Scarface. This is the Supreme Scarface collab. Maybe over 5 years old. But you still could get it on StockX and GOAT. And this is a perfect match. Look at Tony. Red shirt, black gun to his head. I shouldn't have to say no more. Perfect match. Back to Virgil. In Champion. Off-white Champion sweats. I paid the pretty penny for these, man. But should be on sale, man. Over 2 years old. You go to main label, the off-white logo there. At the bottom, you get your off-white branding. Champion also. Thick shorts, man. And you get some nice little chrome tips too at the lace joint. But yeah, man, perfect match. Red. R.I.P. Virgil. But if you want to go a little less pricey and a lot more to that Chicago look, I will go with the throwback Chicago jerseys, the one with the shorts, the ones with the pinstripes though. This makes that Chicago split match even perfect because you get every color and it's looking like the shorts are splitting. So I really like this. Straight from Mitchell and Ness. It doesn't say the year. Hardwood Classic though, Mitchell and Ness. This is a perfect match, guys. For anything Brett or Chicago, always run to the Chicago Bulls first. Feels like a remix, right? Jordan jersey, I shouldn't have to say it. Perfect match, Chicago Bulls jersey. Really brings out the Chicago splits. But if you want to go super crazy, you could go get you a Jordan White Sox jersey with the 45 on it, man. Y'all forgot he played baseball, right? Some of y'all were born in the 90s, so yeah, I get it. But straight from Majestic, White Sox, the Barons, you know, he played for the minor league team, but he did start a couple of games with the major league team. And this match is perfect. It's no red, but you take care of that black, that gray, and that white in the Chicago split. Okay, essentials. Now, if you watch the channel, you know I got tons of them. They haven't made red yet, and being that it's a Nike Dunk Low and it's hot outside, I just went with the shorts and the sweats. The hoodies, that's for another sneaker, another time. But yeah, the all black limo essential shorts is a perfect match, and they on sale everywhere, guys. Essence, PacSun, they're everywhere, guys. Just type it in your Google search, you'll see it. Shorts, black joints, definitely a match. Gray ones also, shorts or sweats. I approve both. Hats, I got a gang of them, guys. I narrowed it down because I was like, this is way too many hats to be showing in the hottest style. Supreme, of course. When you think of Supreme, you think of a red box logo. Go get you a Supreme hat. Come on, guys. The Rock Nation hat look like it's made for the Chicago split. You get a split of white, gray, and black all through it. No red, but I like this match, guys. Back to back, Chicago Bulls, Michelin Ness hat. Any Bulls hat that has the original Bulls colors is a perfect match. New Jersey Devils, man. Yeah, y'all see the match. It's made in heaven. Stanley Cup hat, but this is for the Blackhawks, right? The Blackhawks? I don't watch hockey, guys, unless the Rangers are winning. I'm from New York. But yeah, I think these are called the Blackhawks, and they might be from Chicago. Wow, look how I did that. But it's a perfect match, guys. Yes, sir. So this has been the hottest style on the Chicago split joints. Listen, man, I this could have went on 20 minutes. I try to keep it in that 8-minute range so y'all don't turn me off, man. But yeah, man, let me know if you need help securing, sizing, or pricing on anything you seen in this video. I'll hit you as soon as I see it, man. I'm here for the people. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.